Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose. This is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a left-handed lady comb Manhattan and also a left-handed lady comb half Manhattan. We'll start with the half Manhattan. This shouldn't be the first Manhattan you learn. If you've learned something like a first move Manhattan, you'll be perfectly set up for this. Link in the description below, or pretty much any other kind of Manhattan. If you've done a normal lady comb Manhattan, it's just the same thing in the other hand, which means you end up with an offset position instead of a lined up position. The half Manhattan version looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. So let's break that down. Starts with a travelling return in the left to right grip. So we go back, guys out of the way, we're doing the travelling return, we're going to stay close, so we're going to chase the lady. As the lady's taking a step back on the right, we're going to comb with the left hand to make a connection down onto the back of the neck, pick up the shoulder in contact as well, and don't lose those fingertips. Okay, so the lady goes back on her right, guys go forwards on the left, and then it's just standard half Manhattan footwork. So guys back, ladies forwards, and rock it a couple more times. In freestyle, as many as you want. 2 is going to be what we're going to do now. As we start the lady going back, we add a little rotation to the right, then we can take the hand off, let that carry on, loosen up, get out of the way, use the energy away to drive a travelling return, and you are done. From the other side with some numbers, we get back 1, travelling return 2, staying close, combing and forwards for the guys, back for the ladies. That's count 3. We go back 4, forwards 5, back 6, rotation 7, facing 8, travelling return 1 and back 2. So let's do it. Here we go. So I'm just going to call it a half Manhattan because there's too many words otherwise. It goes 5, a 6, a half Manhattan. It's a back, over the top we go, a forwards and back, a forwards and back, rotate, out of the way, travelling return, and you're done. So that's the half Manhattan variation. Now the full Manhattan variation on the left-handed comb. So we go back, we do the travelling return, we do the comb in the first step, we do the rock, and then it changes to become a full Manhattan. So now guys got to go back right, we add a little bit of rotation to the lady's right as we continue to bring her forwards, which gives her the urge to come through with her left, and we rock it back. So we undo that and then we just repeat the cycle, forwards and back for the guys, back and forwards for the guys. Ladies, it's the opposite way around. And then end as before, again in freestyle, do as many of these as you want. We're just doing 2 full sets now. Unwinding and face, travelling return and back. So here we go. Full Manhattan version. 5, a 6, a full Manhattan. It's a back, over the top, and a comb and back, back and forwards, forwards and back, back and forwards, unwind, base, return and look. And that is it. Music recommendation on the end. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.